Hey y'all, I wanted to show y'all my lip combo because Kaylakosmetics relaunch coming soon, so I just wanted to show y'all my everyday lip combo. So number one, black lip liner. If you using brown lip liner, that's cool, but if you really want to, you know, spice it up, go black. And if niggas is making you feel like you shouldn't wear black lip liner, fuck them. It's a nigga who gonna kiss you with the black lip liner, I promise. So you just line your lips, okay? I'll be right back. All right, so my lips is lined, and we're gonna spice up the lip tonight instead of just going straight for gloss. So I'm taking some Juvia's Place Pink Lady blush and just putting that in the center of my lips. You really don't gotta go too crazy with this, cause like this that shit. This is just to add a little color. All right, so this is how your lips should look. You can apply as much to your liking. I ain't really go too crazy. Now for the best part, the Kaylakosmetics. So this is just a clear lip gloss with silver sparkles, and I'm just going. Now I have big lips, so you know. Make sure you get the edges, because you don't want the edges to be matte and then the rest of your lip glossy. So this is my lip combo. Alright, so these are the 3 things I use. I'm just not a brown lip liner girly no more. I used to do black and then ombre it out with brown. I just don't do it no more. Some people don't like the literal line, but baby, I love it. Shout out to the black women that created this shit, because I'm stealing y'all shit really fucking bad. But yeah, it's my lip combo. Use my own shit. I hope y'all bitches ain't think I was not. And then I also wanted to demo my body shimmer for y'all, because y'all always see me post it, but I ain't never put it on with y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all. You know, use this for when you're going out. You don't have to wait till the summertime to be sparkling. You should be sparkling year round. If you look at the names of this, use this with your nigga, okay? I promise you. He gonna be like, where the fuck is that body shimmer you had on the other night? All right, so you just wanna rub it all over you. And obviously, yes, it's an oil, but it's just gonna like soak into your skin. But yeah, use this during that, use it with your man, girl. He gonna be wanting you to put this on, I'm telling you. See, real pretty, real sparkly. Like I said, don't only want to shine in the summer, baby. Shine year round on these motherfuckers. Now I have a couple of body shimmers. This is just the one I used tonight. New packaging coming soon though. Don't worry, new packaging coming soon. I can't wait for my relaunch. My shit really raw. This shit all me. And yeah, I hope y'all shop. I hope y'all niggas is shopping for y'all hoes. Let me not say y'all hoes. I hope y'all is shopping for y'all ladies. And baby, 2025 is really my year. That's all I can say. Kaylakosmetics relaunch 2025. If you're not shopping Kaylakosmetics, then what the fuck is you doing? And yes, when I relaunch my business, please send me all the tea pics. DM me and say, Kayla, I used that body shimmer with my man last night and we had a time. One of my body shimmers is called I Star in Films. So you don't gotta send me the film, but just be like, girl, me and my man made that film last night. We watched it back and I was sparkling. That's what I wanna hear. That's what I wanna hear.